Hello, perang ni semua sakanti ko nani talba video na changsatay ram chaksor perang dalba changsatay anga Meghalaya police aspirants rang na ba candidates rang na recruitment ni biddingo anga na simang na ketal update kobor ko ya video ni through na simang na share khatenga jekon dalsa Central Recruitment Board Meghalaya police website to upload ka hacham one update kobor ba information de yan dal April kolponga tariko Central Recruitment Board tentative dates of exam aru admit card issue khani bidingo press release ko onaha digimna content of press release de yan memo number CRB/MLP/RECR/52/2025/312 dated Shillong the 25th April 2025 press release reference to this office letter number CRB/MLP/RECR/52/2025/192 dated Shillong the 3rd April 2025. It is to inform to all concerned candidates that the tentative dates for the written examination is yet to be confirmed, as some dates coincided with other examinations conducted by different agencies which resulted in class of examination halls/rooms in some districts of the state. Hence, the issuance of admit cards will be intimated later as and when the dates of examination and availability of examination halls/rooms is resolved. In this connection, the Central Recruitment Board is tirelessly working to resolve the issue at the earliest and ensuring that the conduct of the written examination is for convenience of all concerned. Further, the candidates are advised to regularly check the official Meghalaya Police website for more updates. Inconvenience is highly regretted. Timnar pengrang yan information de yan Central Recruitment Board candidates ang nandage uyatenga press release ni true April ketam tarik ko je tentatives routine kon Central Recruitment Board na simangna upload ka hacham wa tentative routine ni exam date rangara dengtang gepen exam ni date rangmang coincide ongenga class ongenga jekone agar de nanggerkenga ne absan salon ongenga uni asel badeba district rangode hall ba rooms rangko manjainga hall ba room rangko manjainga uni asel ya exam dates rangko nami confirm ongna manku jainga uni asel sa dal J admit card rangko dal Meghalaya Police website to Central Recruitment Board upload khaanichim ko upload khakuja mana noba wa exam dates ko confirm ongja do bete admit card ko issue khana man jawa mana noba wa admit card to nangni date of exam rang donggen date of exam rang donggen uni kemen ya admit card ko de exam date rang confirm onga ja mansa na simang na issue khagen ni uyatenga aro basako ni issue khagen uko na simang na ja manu uyatken uni kemen Central Recruitment Board time to time regularly Meghalaya Police website to ange check hachina notice rangko check hachina na simang ko didiatenga ba na simang ko jana na simang na jana patenga ne timna pengrang daude yan je tentative routine ko na simang na sim yade confirm na manjainga ni geman haida bade ba desrang change ong na ba donga ongjang ode totally change ong na ba donga de bade ba salrango class ong haida warang kosan change ong ani chance ba donga ongjang ode totally dingtang routine ko nasimang na on thaina ba donga uni geman nasimang Meghalaya Police website ko time to time ba regularly check khai dongai bo un baksa nasimang ya exam dates rangna jajrenge ja nasimang ni dakna nangani khamrang ko khaibu wan nasimang jaja jiji dakkeja basako ongen ongjaken uni gemen nasimang jaja jiji dakkeja nasimang prepare kae name prepare kae dongsoai bo exam de knal sotni bong namanai ge Aida next month bong na man again ya jawab ba na man again main ba ya de tingtang exam rang mang nanggerkan ya sel somoi rang mile jayenga unia sel sa dau ya admit katram ko ba issue kana man jayenga ni nasimang Central Recruitment Board jana patenga tim na yan dalni khobote information de nasimang na oyatani de yasa pengra ni soingo sakandikon batiala nasimang ni exam rang na nami prepare kabu. All the best. Good night.